welcome back to my channel and happy fall. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create these fun festive fall cupcakes you can make at home. This is a fun activity to do with your friends, family, roommates, or loved ones. And if you're just starting to learn how to decorate cupcakes or cakes, these cupcakes in this video are perfect starters. They're very simple to make and they come out beautifully. So let's kick off the fall season, put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make this video, I baked the cupcakes using my chocolate and vanilla cake recipe. If you want to make them more festive, I placed mine in gold and silver cupcake liners. While those were in the oven, I made my homemade buttercream. If you'd like to see a video on how to make the chocolate and vanilla cake recipe and the buttercream, comment cupcake down below. Next, I divided the buttercream into 3 separate bowls and dyed them burgundy for the rosettes, golden yellow for the sunflowers, and Kelly green for the leaves. Once the colors were in the shades I wanted, I placed all colors in a piping bag. Make sure to fill the bag a little bit more than halfway. This will make it easier to pipe the frosting. To make the rosette style, use a large star tip, and to make the sunflower petals and leaves, use a regular size leaf piping tip. Now it's time to decorate. We're going to be making the rosettes in the gold liner first. To create the rosettes, we're going to create the leaves first. Take your green piping bag and determine where you would like to have the leaves. Add some pressure to the piping bag and pipe out the frosting. Once you have it to the size you would like, release the pressure and move the bag away from the cupcake. Grab your bag with the large star tip and start in the center. Pipe around the cupcake until you reach the end and let it tail off. Repeat this process for as many rosettes you would like to create. Now it's time to make some sunflowers. For these, I'm decorating the cupcakes with a silver liner. Take some frosting and pipe a little bit in the center. Similar to the rosettes, take your green piping bag and determine where you would like the leaves to be placed. Take an Oreo and place it in the middle. This will act as the center of the sunflower. Using the same method while piping the leaves, take your yellow piping bag and pipe the petals around the Oreo. You should get about 2 layers of petals. Repeat this process for how many sunflowers you'd like to create. And now you're ready to kick off the fall season with these festive flowers. video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know what the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. The best thing about these cupcakes is that they're simple, but you can totally make them your own, and you have a variety of options to choose from the flavor of your cupcakes, colors of the frosting, or picking the original Oreos with blondie Oreos. If any of you recreate the fall flowers we made today in this video, or any of the other treats I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your cupcakes and happy fall. Bye!